Ladies and gentlemen, on October 11th, the Notre Dame football family lost one of its members when Xavier Murphy, a 2011 graduate of Notre Dame, succumbed to leukemia. Xavier was a lead manager for the football team last year and an intern in the football equipment room this season. Xavier's family is with us at today's game. At this time, we ask that you observe a moment of silence in memory of Xavier Murphy. Thank you. Our national colors are presented today by 1984 Notre Dame graduate Dolly Duffy, the Associate Vice President for University Relations and Executive Director of the Notre Dame Alumni Association, and also by Susan Burke, a 1987 MBA graduate and Alumni Association Board of Directors member for the New England States. They play leadership roles for the most extensive alumni network in the nation, including 132,000 living Notre Dame alumni and 276 alumni clubs, 62 of which are international. Today's color guard is presented by the Naval ROTC. The Notre Dame Band now honors America and acknowledges the service of our men and women in uniform with the playing of America the Beautiful, directed by Renee Rosas, Assistant Band Director at the University of Notre Dame. We, the people of the United States, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare, and secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our posterity, do ordain and establish this Constitution for the United States of America. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal, that they're endowed by their Creator with certain inalienable rights, that among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. And for the support of this declaration, with a firm reliance on the protection of divine providence, we mutually pledge to each other our lives, our fortunes, and our sacred honor. Please join us now in the singing of America the Beautiful. You please rise, remove your caps, and join in the singing of our national anthem, conducted by Matt Merton, Assistant Band Director at the University of Notre Dame.
Right.
two FA-18 Hornets from Strike Fighter Squadron 106, based at Naval Air Station, Oceana, Virginia, was flown by Lieutenant Brandon Gasser, University of Notre Dame class of 2004. Lieutenant Commander Jonathan Erpenbach, Notre Dame class of 1999. Lieutenant Stephen Eckhart, United States Naval Academy class of 2003. And Lieutenant Christopher McAbee, Naval Academy class of 2004. Ground coordination provided by Lieutenant Rob Searing. Naval aviators, thank you for your outstanding service to the United States of America. On behalf of University President Father John Jenkins, Athletic Director Jack Swarbrick, and Coach Brian Kelly, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Notre Dame Stadium. And today's game between the Naval Academy and your Fighting Irish. This is the 85th meeting in this series that has been played every year since 1927. Navy is coached by Ken Diabatalolo. The Irish by Brian Kelly. Today's officials on the field are from the Atlantic Coast Conference. The replay officials are from the Big East Conference. Here is your game time weather information. The temperature is 50. The wind is out of the southeast at 5. The forecast, the tricky part of the day is over. The rest will be a treat. Partly cloudy and cool with frost on the pumpkins later tonight.